Welcome everyone. In this session, I am going to discuss about the logical function. Okay, so Excel logical function, which logical function that is if. Okay, so first of all, I will try to understand how it is working. Okay, so I will just starting to explain this if function from basics to higher level. Okay, so just start. First of all. First of all, I am going to create a table. Like I am having a table like A1, A. Just I am coming to directly practical. Okay, I am coming to directly practical. But first of all, before starting the practical, I am writing some operators. Okay, comparison operators. Okay, comparison operators. So there are some comparison operators to use we will use in logical function if. Okay, so first is equal, second greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to, and not equals to. Okay, so these all are comparison operators which we will use on our MS Excel with logical function if. Okay, and one more logical functions are there. We will use with the if statement. Sorry, we will use with it if function that is logical and logical or and logical not. Okay, so let's start. How I will use this all of these comparison operators inside the if function. Let's start. Okay, so just open the MS Excel. Okay, increasing the screen size. Yeah. So here I am putting some messages like serial number. Okay. Product, not product, product name, price, discount, value, your amount. Okay. So I am putting some values, serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then I am putting the some products name like mouse, computer, laptop, speaker, keyboard. Okay, and then I am filling price. Okay, I am just creating the table. Okay, and applying some borders. Yeah, I am filling some price that is 2100, 2400, 2500, 3500, 3000. Okay, so I have given some price of each product. Okay, and then I am giving discount. Okay, so on mouse I am giving 5% discount. Okay, on computer 10%, on laptop 15%, on a speaker 8%. Okay, on keyboard, on keyboard, I am giving 10%. Okay, so it is the very basic table I have created. Okay, so I will display the amount. Okay, uh, we need to give the condition. Okay, so agar if price greater than 1000, then discount will be 5%. Okay, just I am doing copy paste. Here I am giving 10%. Here I am giving 15%. Here I am giving 8%. Here I am giving 7%. I am giving. Okay, so you can understand if price inside the amount, we need to display the amount. Okay, by using if statement, by using if function. Okay, logical function. So how to use? Okay, how to use this function? First of all, uh, when we will use if function, okay, when we will use if function, it we need to give first condition. Okay, just wait. Yeah, when we will use if function. Okay, so first we need to give condition. Okay, and then after giving the condition, we will separate with comma, and then we will give true value and then false value. Okay, so based on the condition, okay, based on the condition, if condition will be true, okay, just if the condition will be valid or true, then it will display or perform the operation on true value. Okay, otherwise, or not other, if the condition will be invalid or false, then it will display or perform the operation of false value. Why I am writing here perform the operation? Okay, I am writing display and or perform the operation. I will discuss about it. Okay, both I will discuss about it. Okay, now. So first, think about it. If suppose here I have written a condition. Okay, just a second. Yeah, here I have written a condition that is suppose 10 is greater than 5, then it must display happy. Okay, otherwise it must display sad. Okay, so everyone, when this condition will be true, then it will display or it will return happy. Okay, otherwise it will return sad. Okay, it will work for false if condition will be false. It will work if condition will be true. So you know its condition is true, then it will display happy. Okay, how it will display? I am going to start. So I am taking a new sheet. Okay, I will discuss about sheet 1 later, but I am taking new sheet 2, and on sheet 2 I am going to display some message by using if function. So equals to, remember this thing, if you want to perform any expression or function, then you need to give equal symbol first, then if, and here I am giving 10 is greater than 5, then we need to give true value, happy, happy, otherwise sad. Okay, that's it. So you can see it is displaying happy. It is very simple. Okay, na? It is very simple. So you have you I uh, you can understand by doing the practical. Okay, so now I am going to perform other operation. I am giving some values like 10, 25, 20, 30, 40, 50, and I am giving, so if the value is greater than 20, okay, if the value is greater than 20, then it will display happy, otherwise sad. Okay, so equals, if a3 is greater than 20, then we need to display message happy. Okay, otherwise sad. That's it. Okay, so it is less than 20, so just that's why it is displaying sad. Okay, so I have just done the copy paste. Okay, you can check all of the functions. Okay, so based on this function, you can perform nested. Okay, so it is just displaying. Okay, displaying some messages. You can also work with the. You can also work with cell address also. Okay, uh, like I am showing to you. Here I am displaying in this column. If the value is greater than 20, then it will display the message of column B. Okay, it will display the value of column B. Okay, that means if the value of column A, if the value of column A will be greater than 10, then it will display the value of column B. Okay, like if A1, so not A1, A3 is greater than 10, okay, then it will display uh, the value of column B, okay, P3, okay, otherwise nothing, okay, a blank value, that's it. So it is displaying nothing, or I can give another message, okay, uh, value not valid. I am giving my message, okay. So just I am doing copy and then paste. Okay. So you can see all of the values are greater than 10 excluding this cell A3. Okay. So that's why it is displaying value not valid. Otherwise it is displaying the value of column B. Okay. You can understand by the function, by applying the function. Okay. So here I have used by using cell address, by using value also. Okay, so you can perform uh, you can perform operations also. So you have understood what is display. Now I am going to discuss about the operation, to perform the operation. So now I am going to, if the value is greater than 20, okay, of column A, if the value is greater than 20, then it will display the value multiplied by 5, okay, I- it multiplied by 5, otherwise multiply by 10, okay. So I am writing also here, decreasing the font size. Column A is less than 20, then multiply by 10, otherwise multiply by 5, okay. So here uh, I have written, yeah. So if the value of column A1 is less than 10, then it will be multiplied by 10, otherwise it will be multiplied by 5, okay. So equals, if column A3, okay, is greater than 20, or sorry, less than 20, then A3 into 10, otherwise A3 into 5, that's it, okay. So you have seen it, how it is working. So 10 multiplied by 10, that is 10, 100. 20 multiplied by 5, that is 100. 30 multiplied by 5, that is 150. 40 multiplied by 5, that is 20, 200. And 50 multiplied by 5, that is 250. Okay, so how it is working, the if function, you can understand by doing the practical. So it is working just an operation here based on true, based on the condition. Okay, if condition is valid or true, then it will perform the true value or true expression, okay. And if the condition is false, then it will perform the false operation, okay, or perform the operation on false invalid value, okay. So now you have understood how if a function is working, okay. Next, next I am going to work on this table, okay. If price is greater than 1000, then discount will be 5%, okay. So otherwise I will not give this discount, okay. So equals to, if price, so C2 is greater than 1000, okay, then we need to display the this amount by applying discount, okay. So C2 into 5, not like this, we need to s- perform the board mass also. C2 into 5 divide by 100, okay. And for false value, C2, just C2, okay. Sorry, it is, we need to decrease the value also, okay. Now uh, just a second, yeah. Actually I think I am doing some mistake by applying the discount, okay, percentage A2 minus, sorry, not A2, C2, okay, it is the cell address mistake, okay, so it is displaying after decreasing the 5% of amount from the price, it will display, it is displaying the amount, okay. So now just we need to do the same, okay. So it has displayed, but on every function it is displaying the 5%. We need to display, increase the percentage rate. Okay. So here it is 15%, here 8%, okay, here 7%, okay. So that's it. To decrease the amount of 8%, it will display the value of after decreasing the this price of 8%. Okay. So how I am working on this expression or if function. So it is the condition, okay, by using with a comparison operators. Based on the condition, it is performing the operation on true value and then and false value. That's it. Okay, so for true value, it is just only an expression by using cell address. Okay, here I have applied just only the uh, expression for true value and here for false value. That's it. Okay, it is the percentage expression. Okay, so you can also use your own function, your own operation. Okay, arithmetic operation you can perform. Okay, so now I am coming on a question. Okay, so I am taking a question. Question is just a second. Research. Sure. So just a second. So here there is a question. Okay, just a second. We need to decrease the size of this image. Yeah. So here it is a question. Implement and explain the if function for the following scenario. Okay. So we need to implement and then we need to also uh, explain this. Okay. So we need have to perform if the price is between 100 to 2000, then we need to display no discount. Okay, we need to show no discount. That means the price will be in between of 1000 to 2000, then we need to show no discount. That means actual amount we need to display, and the price will be between of 2001 to 5000, then we need to display 10% discount. Okay, if the price is above 5000, then we need to display the amount after decreasing the 800 value. Okay, so how I need to write, just see, equals if okay, I am putting the price, okay, price and discount value. Okay, so I am giving the applying the function. Okay, so first of all, I am putting the value like to 20,000. Okay, I have given the value 20,000, and then we need to display, we need to use the if function. Okay, we need to use the if function. If price, the cell address of price is A6, okay, is greater than or equals to 1,000, okay, and and we need here we need to use AND operator. Okay, logical AND. So I am using AND operator. Price A6 is greater than or equals to 1,000, and then A6 is less than or equals to 2,000. Okay, then we need to perform the operation. Okay, no discount. That means A6. Okay, and uh, for false value, we need to perform many operation. Okay, we need to perform many operation like for false value, we need to perform if, okay, and A6 is greater than or equals to 2001, okay, and A6 is less than or equals to 5,000, okay, then we need to give 10% of discount. Okay, so A6 minus A6 into 10 divided by 100. Okay, yeah, and for false value again we need to apply the if function. Okay, if A6 is greater than 5,000, okay, then we need to display the message uh, with discount. We need to give the discount. Okay, A6 minus 800. Okay, that's it. True value, false value. Just a second. Yes, yes, yeah. So you can see it is displaying the value after this giving the discount. Price is above 5,000. So it price is above 5,000. That's why it is giving the discount 800. So after this giving the discount 800, the price discount value will be 19,200. Okay, so I am giving 11,000. Okay, not 11, 6,000 or 4,000. Okay, because of I want to perform the operation 10% discount. So it is performing 10% discount. Okay, I want to give like 1,500. So it is displaying no discount. Okay, it is not giving any discount. Okay, so here I have used nested if. Okay, here I have used nested if. So it is the true value. Wait. Okay, I am how it is working. I am explaining. So yeah. Okay, so it is the test condition. Okay, and it is the true value, and it is performing false value, false operation. Okay, so if the condition is true, then it will perform on true, or it will perform on false. Okay, so inside the false statement, I have applied one more if statement, and inside this if statement, I have applied here one more if statement. Okay, so you can use nested. Okay, so here I have used AND operator. It is logical and will return true. Okay, I am writing uh, logical and will return true if the both condition will be true. Okay, logical or will return true if the any condition will be true. Okay, here not both. Okay, here it will be any condition will be true, and logical not will return true if the condition will be false. Okay, false. Logical not will perform oppositely. So it works oppositely, means the value is returning if it is if its value is returning true, then it will return false. Okay, otherwise if it is returning true false, then it will return true. Okay, so that's why I have used on and operator, because of inside the question I have found and okay, multiple conditions I have found. Okay, so that's why I have used on and logical and. Okay, so by you applying this function, you can do more. Okay, so here I am going to explain. Okay, so how to explain? Just we need to explain how it is working. Okay, so we need to just write how it is working. Okay, now so here inside the if function, if the price is between of 1000 to 2000, then the if function will not show the discounted value. It will display the actual or original value. Okay, next, if the price is um, coming between 2001 to 5000, then the if function will display the value after decreasing 10% of discount. Okay, next statement, if the price is coming greater than 5,000, then the then the if function will apply the discount of rupees 800. Okay, so that's it. It is the explanation. Okay, so if you have understood the question, then you can explain by yourself. Okay. तो देखिए यहाँ पर क्या है कि क्वेश्चन को पढ़ करके ही आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देना है। ठीक है, याद रखिएगा, क्वेश्चन को पढ़ करके ही आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देना है और कुछ नहीं। So here I have used nested if, okay, based on the condition that is true or false. Okay, so once again I am going to discuss about the nested if. Okay, how I am using nested if. Okay, so I am taking another sheet. Okay, so I am giving 96. Okay, I am giving marks like marks grade. Okay, so marks is giving I am 90. Okay, so here I am applying the if function based on the grade. Okay, so if uh, marks column is marks cell address is A2. Okay, we need to give equal symbol first. If marks A2 is greater than 80, okay, then grade will be A. Okay, otherwise fail. Okay, otherwise grade E. Okay, so that's it. It is displaying grade A. Okay, because of marks is greater than 80. Okay, so you can see everyone. Uh, you can see here, if the condition is true, then it is displaying the first value. Otherwise, it will display the second value. I am applying one more condition. Okay, on false statement. Okay, so for false value, if the value of A2 is uh, less than, not greater than uh, 70, then it will display grade B. Okay, otherwise grade E. Okay, so it will work for the false value. For false value, I have applied one more if statement. Okay, one more if function. So it is displaying grade A. I am giving 85. It is displaying grade A because of it is greater than 80. I am giving 71. So it is displaying grade B. I am giving 60. So it is displaying grade E. Okay. So based on it is the just a logical thing. Okay, so I have to use the if a statement. I have just applied the logical thinking. Okay, logical function I have applied. So what how you can apply, you can understand all of this by doing the practical. Okay, so just I am giving a table. Okay, I am once again I am trying to once again I am going to explain about it. Okay, nested if. So marks and grade. Okay, marks I am giving 95. Okay, so just I am writing the function if marks cell address is A2. A2 is greater than 90. Okay, then A otherwise value will be b. Okay, so just I am doing here copy paste. Okay, so if the value is greater than 80, then it will display b, otherwise c. Okay, if the value is greater than 70, it will display c, otherwise d. Okay, what I am doing I will explain. If the value is greater than 60, then it will display uh, d, otherwise e. Okay, if the value is greater than 50, then it will display e, otherwise f. If the value is greater than 40, okay, then it will display f, or otherwise uh, I can take useless. Okay, so here I am going to show you how to apply the nested if. Okay, so to apply the nested if, just copy the function equals and write here. Just I need to copy it on Notepad. Okay, yeah, yeah. So I am copying the first function here. Okay, so first we need to give the equal symbol. So it is displaying A. If I will give 50, it will display B. Okay. So on the false value, I am going to perform one more if statement, one more if function, I mean. Okay. On the false value, I am applying. Okay. So now it will work for 90 and 90, 80. Okay. So I have given 98, it is working. I am giving 85, it's not here. 85, it is working for B. I am giving 75, it is working for C. Okay, so one more function I am applying. So you can understand, on every false value I am applying. Okay, it depends on you. You can apply on true value also. Okay, just I am doing copy paste. Okay, now. So it is just based on your condition you can apply. Okay, I'm performing on only on false value. Okay, it depends on you how you are thinking. Okay, so I have applied all of the function. So now we need to check it is working or not. Okay, so first I am giving 97. It is working. Second 81. Oh, sorry, not here. First I am giving 91. Yeah, it is working. 87. It is working. 75. It is working. 75, then 60, it is working. 60, after 60, 50, it is working. 45, it is working. Okay, less than 45, that is 35, useless. Okay, so based on the condition it is working. Okay, now So I hope you have understood how I am applying this if statement. Okay. So I have just applied the if statement. Okay. I have just applied the if statement on false value. Okay. I have just applied on if function on false value like this. Okay. So in the everyone in the next session, okay, your upcoming session for class 9. Okay, for class 9, these all of these about you need to understand in Java. Okay, in Java it is very easy. Okay, not much more tough. It is very easy in Java. Okay, so um, I hope you will get the better marks on your examination. Okay, so best of luck, all of you. Okay, so we will meet in the next session. Thank you, everyone.